Hello student, today we continue our lesson number 4. Now our topic is to modify the table design. Now in last video we create our student underscore detail table, and in that table we insert some records. Now I want to modify the table design. So you can just click on first table, select a table, then you can see here view option. In view option you can select design view, click on design view. Now you can see our field name and data types. Now suppose I want to change address data type memo to text, so I click here and change to text. Now our address data type will be changed to text. Now save, press Ctrl+S for saving a table. Now our table will be saved. Now next topic is to add a new field. You can just click on design tab and you can see here insert row. Now suppose I want to insert here, so my cursor is here and click on insert row. Now I am changing I am add some field like state, and its data type is text, and country name and its data type is text. So we can add a new row in our table. Now save. Now our table will be saved. Now close this table design and press here, so you can see two fields are added in our table. Now in table we insert some record India, Gujarat, India. Now save this table, so we can insert a new record in our new field. Now next topic is creating a table in data sheet view. So you can just go into the create tab, click on table, so you can see here data sheet view. Now here you can add a new field, like suppose I want to add city table, so you can we can add some field like city ID and city name. Now I want to save table name like city underscore MST and OK. So our city table will be added. Now next topic is modify a table design. Now suppose I want to delete a field, so you can just go into the design tab and delete row. Now place the cursor here and delete row. Suppose I want to delete city name, so I place cursor here and delete row. Yes, so our field will be deleted. Now suppose I want to rename a field, so suppose I want to rename city underscore ID underscore ID, and so you can see here my field name is changed into city underscore ID underscore ID. Now save this table. Now next topic is how to change data type of field. Now suppose I want to change this data type field. So suppose text to number, so I select number. So you can see my data type is changed. Now next topic is adding, deleting and modifying data in table. Now suppose I want to change record in student_detail, so I click on student_detail, and our first topic is to add a new record. Now place a cursor here and press on tab key, so you can move in next line. Here you can add some record. India. So you can add a data in your table using datasheet view. Now next topic is delete a record. Suppose I want to delete third roll number, so I click here like this, and you can see delete option will be visible now. So press on delete, so you can see one dialog box is open. Press yes, so our third roll number data will be deleted. Now again I want to delete second roll number, so I click here and press delete, and here can press yes, so our second roll number also will be deleted. I hope you understand how to modify the table design and how to modify a data in a table. In next video we will see lesson number 5, which is very important chapter in computer subject. So see you in next video. Thank you for watching this video.